What I'm gonna do?
What?
Take the plastic off your light. Because that is a fish. Look at that thing. Okay. Save that because that's got to be important. This light. See that plug?
Yeah.
That. So this one must be for your big light. The
okay.
light bar.
Let's go even on an on-off switch.
Yeah, but we don't need it. It's all thing. Let's separate it because we're gonna cut it apart. There, and then this one will have two plugs because of your driving lights, right?
Oh, okay.
And because you have the MLC-6, we don't need this.
Oh yeah.
And we just gotta figure out what wire goes.
It's a lot of wires.
It is. Because we cut it at a certain point. Oh, they give you a lot of wire. Okay. That one goes to the switch. There's the relay. I don't even think we need the relay.
No?
I think we snip it somewhere in here. Because the MLC-6 has the relay.
Oh, okay.
They give you a lot of extra wire. Okay, you go that way. That's the one light. This is to another light. And this would normally be to power.
Okay.
Positive and ground. We don't need that. And this goes to the switch. Cut off this heat shrink. Let's see what we see. It's well wired. So I think we cut it somewhere because we don't need the relay.
Okay.
Pretty sure we don't need the relays because they're in the MLC-6. Actually, let's go this way. I can figure it out again. Here he drops down. I'm always afraid that that's gonna break. So then, we're just wiring into here, one of these,
Oh, okay.
and then because you have the switch panel inside already, so we just have the positive, negative. It's got a fuse. It's got the relay. I just got to figure out where to cut that line.
Okay.
Either we go down, find a way through, because there's a place we could zap strap right there, and then I can go in behind underneath the winch plate. Just find places to zap strap. Even here. Yep, right there. Just gotta figure out how to run the wires.
Okay.
Get all this in there. And that's what we need. Just that. Those are just the wires going to the light. So we're gonna go like this. Boom. Got our light wires. And everything else is garbage. All of this is going. We'll do the same to that one too. For the light bar. Because we have the MLC-6. Now we just need to figure out where to run the wires. I think right up through here. And we have the one wire to the passenger light. And then this wire. Pull that little thing up. Plug in this wire. And now we gotta figure out how to run it. And we go over here. Grab this. We only need, get out of the way, this one. The rest, goodbye. Okay, now we gotta run that one. Plug it into the light bar, which one's down there, and through there. And then we go up and through. Behind this little frame. If I can get it. Oh, let go. Thank you. Then up through here. Come on, there we go. Come on. Then we need to go there. Give it a little gap. A little, yeah. A little slack. Because we'll be cutting it short. Tug, tug, tug. Through. You're stuck. Well, now we know the blue one is supposed. I rewired it. Number 1 is here. That's number 6. There we go. There. Okay. And then through here again. It's going to come up and go to number 2. So we're going to give it a little length. One of these. And the screwdriver, I just had it, didn't I?
I'm gonna go to the back see if I can find her because she's not inside.
Okay, one sec. Oh yeah, Chris's funky stuff on the inside. When the lights are on, they light up. And when they're off, they're off. Now let's go check out the bumper. That is pretty cool, eh?